Hey everybody, I'm Brad with Renovation Flooring, and I am super excited to announce to you guys that we have opened our outdoor division. We are going to be offering outdoor hardscapes of all types, whether it be brick pavers all the way up to natural stone. Today I'm going to be giving you a little introduction into brick pavers and exactly what they are and how we use them in outdoor hardscapes. Your brick pavers are a combination of concrete and polymers that make this brick paver virtually indestructible. This can be used for all types of applications, whether it be driveways, pedestrian walkways, and these really thrive in the residential application. These pavers are a tri-colored paver. These pavers are all hand-colored when they're formed, and this tri-color, I especially like the tri-color. This color is actually named Napoli, and what it is it's a white, a gray, and a brown mixed together. And when we bring this color into the outdoor scapes, it really is a versatile color that doesn't dead end us into any certain color. We can incorporate many different colors into it, and it's absolutely beautiful with a brick back on a home. So on this patio, we have a Catalina Grana. This is a little bit more than an entry patio. These are a little bit flatter. They have a slight pillowed edge, and they really do well for residential applications because the kids can still ride their bikes and skateboards and scooters without any real uneven surface. If you're interested in having a patio installed like this, there's a couple things to remember about installation. The first thing that will happen is I will set up an appointment to come and measure. I will measure the space and we can have a conversation about what you're looking to achieve with your outdoor space. Next step is we create a design for you to ensure that your outdoor hardscape is exactly what you're looking for. All of our paver patios that Renovation Flooring installs have a custom touch, meaning that every patio will have a custom cut border that borders the entire patio to separate the border from the actual patio surface. Those borders are also locked in with a concrete edger that ensures that the pavers stay tight and locked in for the life of the patio. And don't forget, fire pit season is right around the corner. We offer all types of fire pits. This is a stone, it's Castle Manor wall block fire pit, and it actually comes in a kit that has a fire ring and a grill attachment with it. Just remember, we offer a white glove service. Anything we do will be from A to Z. We'll make sure we clean the job when we're done. We'll make sure everything is taken care of. The customer doesn't have to worry about a thing. And just remember, a patio of this size, we're probably looking at around a 4 to 5 day installation process. Again, I'm Brad with Renovation Flooring, and I would be happy to help you with any of your outdoor needs. Just give us a shout.